How to backup contacts to Google account. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can backup contacts in Google account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. One of the easiest ways is to install the Google Contacts in your device. So if you have already installed the Google Contacts application on your device, you can manage and backup contacts directly using the application. So here is how you can do it. First of all, in order to set your Google account as default for new contacts, open up Google Contacts application in your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right and go to the contact settings. Once you're here, scroll down a bit, and on the default account for new contacts, you have to choose your Google account. And from now on, all the contacts will be saved directly to your Google account. The second step is to sync existing contacts to Google. So for that, again, open up your Google Contacts. Tap on Organize at the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down a bit, and there you will have an option to import from file. So there you have to choose import from file. After that, you have to follow some prompts and choose your Google account as the destination. Now to ensure if your contacts are synced, go to the settings. Once you're here, tap on the search bar, and all you have to type is search for sync. And there you have Google Contact Sync. And from here also make sure that you have turned on the Sync Now features to sync your contacts immediately. So for that, tap on also sync devices contacts, and here make sure to sync or toggle on this option right here. Now, in order to verify if your contact has been saved in your Google account or not, you have to open up a browser. And here go to the contacts.google.com and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. And here check if all the contacts appear. So with this setup, your contacts will be automatically synced with Google account and will stay backed up. If you switch to new device, simply log in with your Google account to access it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.